Good news, everyone! Agora has dropped their copyright claim on my review for Agora, and I no longer have the threat of a copyright strike on my account. I can't begin to express my appreciation for you guys who shared my previous video on Facebook and tweeted about this. I mean, it seems to me that Agora must have heard about what you had to say because the timing couldn't have been better. It's literally a massive load off my mind, and I can now crack on with doing what I want to do, and that's making videos. I also want to thank Adam from YMS, who has gone above and beyond with helping me and giving me advice with how to deal with this. I mean, it really means a lot, mate. I mean, I've only been around for a year, so I can admit that I'm inexperienced with this whole process, but seeing the amount of support coming into the comment section has just been incredible. I mean, you really are the best community a YouTuber can ask for. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with researching Saving Private Ryan, and hopefully this will be the review you have all been waiting for. I mean, I know certainly that this is my most requested review. It's actually kind of funny that when you search history buffs on YouTube, the autocomplete algorithm or whatever it is shows Saving Private Ryan, even though I've never reviewed it. So I'm going to try my best to make this a special review. In any case, thank you all once again for having my back and supporting my channel. Speak to you soon.